Last holiday season was the first time you had gift guide functionality on your LTK shop, and your shoppers found them very useful. We know this because growth in gifting purchases on your LTK shops outpaced the broader market. So we've decided to invest further, and this year we have a new LTK gift guide feature, giving your shoppers a much enhanced experience while making your gift guide creation a whole lot faster. No need to spend time making gift guide collages. Now you can simply create a newly launched product set and flag it as a gift guide. Categorize your guides and make them even easier to use in the new gifting section in your shop. With this enhanced gift guide experience, you'll be able to select the recipient or category and the occasion based on historical shopper behavior. Think things like for your best friend or things for your sale shoppers. Help shoppers check off gifts for everyone on their list by curating and sharing gift guides discoverable now for shoppers on your shop in the LTK app, with even more coming this holiday season.